How to stream on PC. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see there is plus icon just down below of this section. So just tap on plus icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a live option in here. You can also sort and post, so make sure you are in live option. And finally you can simply tap on next, and yeah, you can choose from this option. So let me choose one of it. No, it's not made for kid. And finally tap on go live, and yeah, you will be able to stream on YouTube successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to stream on YouTube. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.